Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 5. This module, we're going to be talking about the different parts of the body and talking about having pain in different parts of the body using tener dolor. So if you remember, the verb tener means to have, and then dolor is pain. So we're going to use those together to talk about, like, I have pain in my head, I have pain in my knee, she has pain in her back. When you check the book pages this week, please make sure you check all of them because there's a bunch of them listed, like that kind of jumps around because the book has like different parts of the body listed on different pages. So it'll be like, the face and head is on one page, like lower body's on another page. So just make sure that you get through all of, like, that you check all those pages. We also have the pronunciation practice videos posted, like I showed you in module 4, that those were there because this module we do have the pronunciation project. So if we look at the assignments, the homework packet, like always regular, and the quiz, like always regular, but instead of a regular speaking assignment, we have that pronunciation project. So remember, all you have to do for that project is read the text and aim for clear pronunciation. And there's the sample one is posted if you want to listen to that. I definitely recommend that you look back at your previous speaking assignments and check your pronunciation grades. If you haven't been getting like good marks on the pronunciation grades there, I super recommend that you just send me an email so we can meet like on Zoom and go over the project together. It will help you a lot, a lot, a lot. Sometimes it's hard for you to tell when you listen to yourself what your mistakes are, but if we can talk through it together, it will definitely help you a lot. So again, if you check through your previous speaking assignment grades and see that you haven't been getting like A range on this, specifically on the pronunciation part of the rubric, I definitely recommend that you send me an email. We can set up a Zoom anytime to go through it together. Okay, so that's it for that module. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.